Hey everybody, it's Terry here, D-Lab. Over the last few days, I've been getting notifications from UPS that a box was en route. I looked up the details and it said it was 27 pounds, but I didn't know of anything that was being shipped to me. I thought, well, maybe somebody's sending a guitar amp for me to repair, because that happens every once in a while. Well, the box showed up, and I saw the name on the top of the box and I was like, wait, that's a ham radio operator. Why would he be sending me a large box? Because it was a little too light to be a transmitter. So I opened it up, and in there was this note from Jim, N0XE. He said, Terry, I bought this item on eBay and it arrived broken. He said there's things rattling around inside of it, and he decided rather than fool with it, he'll send it up to me because he knows I love this kind of stuff. So let's see what's in the mystery box. Alright, so let's get this thing out of the box. It's very well packed. Lots of foam rubber. Drop that down there and the kitties can play with it. Got something rolled up in another piece of foam rubber. Let's get the main item out of the box. So what did Jim end up sending me? Anybody got any guesses? Ooh, did you hear that? That must have been the stuff he was talking about that was rattling around. Here we go. Alright, I had a little bit of difficulty getting the plastic bags off this baby. What we have here is a Johnson 1 kilowatt matchbox antenna tuner. And then, in this rolled up foam, we have the directional coupler unit and a low pass filter. Alright, let's close up on the kilowatt matchbox. Controls do turn, the meter's undamaged. Look at the back side. Does not appear to be any modifications. All in all, it looks pretty good. He told me that the wires got pulled out of the directional coupler, so we're going to need some repair there, but the main thing is to get it open and see if there's been any arc welding going on inside of the unit. Come here, buddy. One of my kitties decided to join me. So now I know what was in that mystery box, and as you guys are all well aware, I love Johnson equipment. It's been a long time since I've had a KW matchbox in the shop. I'm really looking forward to repairing it and getting it back on the air. Jim, this is really cool, man. I really do appreciate it.